Where do we want to do? Oh dear.
It's gonna continue going back.
Jin's in the chat, so Jin knows we're gonna hunt the para.
The para is also in the chat, so the para knows you're hunting the para.
Oh, hi,
Oh,
Misa.
hey Jin!
No, it's Misa. Misa's the para.
Oh, is that Misa? Oh, okay.
That
Oh,
Misa
you're
or
para.
Jin?
Oh,
You find
okay.
this water source to be completely boring.
Oh, okay. I didn't know the para was in the chat.
Alright.
This way, guys. Hello, Daddy-o.
Hello, Daddy. I'm mom. I'm female.
hungry.
You're the male.
I haven't. To be completely honest, this is like an ultimate fortress that unless you want to kamikaze and kill, but we'll die in the...
Come on, babies.
I mean, currently the easiest target is Kimo.
Who is this one here?
I mean, I'm
I'm the
tired.
Come on, come on.
Wink,
Scoot along,
wonk,
quick.
and night.
Bob, bite you on the tail. Come on, let's go.
Being protected by someone and running at the same time. Multitasking, this is fine.
Keep up. Watch out. Oh, rat birds. Rat birds. Here they come.
Rudder. Since you're taller. Like they have meat in their mouth, it's...
It's beetle.
I mean, if they start targeting again, we actually have a staff member in here now.
I think it's Death Embers, maybe.
Oh, good. Okay.
Oh, goodbye, Misa.
Oh, wait, hold up. Misha has made a mistake. The pair has made a mistake.
Para's fine. The para just got booped.
Exactly, that means it went in the river. Go, go, go.
No, it's out of the river. You won.
Jin booping is a serious matter. If you get Jin booped, you're dead. That's
I
just
don't
a
know. I
fact.
get booped by Jen. It doesn't do much.
Yeah,
for
but
me.
you're another Apata. It's a pair to get flown. But, in my opinion, it's easiest to kill Chemo. Because Chemo is about the size of the para, and the para can run and...
I hide behind you.
I would kamikaze, but... What kind of color Pteranodon is that? What the actual...
I've seen that too.
Look at that color, what... Oh yeah, it's wannabe gamers and beetle.
Come on. She'll smack you. Get too close to that tail. Wink,
Misha,
wonk.
one of you is gonna freaking die to fall down.
Come on, Wink, wonk. Or whoever's still lagging behind.
I'm
Yeah,
trying to
I'm
help
with
as
you.
well, okay? I'm a sub-adult, I can do something.
No food.
You love it. You do love this. You do
Oh,
love
that tickled.
Jin said now you can eat the little. Regret. I've had a few.
Oh, watch out.
Oh god, oh god.
Oh no, Misa.
Oh yeah.
Come on, babies. That way. Babies, stay away from my tail.
Wait, I just realized it's a juvenile. I sound like Jurassic Park.
Oh. Oh,
Fun.
where the hell? End's gone. It went into
Oh,
space.
it went to space.
It flew.
Oh no.
Did that course really go into space?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Power
because
just-
Oh no,
yeah,
it's down
flew
there.
off.
Jin, can you
Oh,
please
is it?
move away from the body?
Okay. Come on.
We
to be
won't
honest,
eat you. We just want the body.
to be completely honest, I think Jin did more damage into a...
Oh yeah, we want the meat. Oh, you can pick it up anyway.
Oh, there's a.
Whoa,
something
look at the
freezing
trees
by
there.
my head.
Whoa. You see me rolling. Tree.
Yeah, they fixed it so you can drink the river and stuff, so that's pretty cool.
Oh, poor Power.
You're rightfully.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm at like half. I'm at 1,183. So
And also, Jin, that is entirely true. You were very bad at.
I look like literally the mix of you both.
Thanks to the Nisha.
I'm like.
I mean, honestly, a Pata shouldn't be hurting with bigger things unless, like, well, not bigger things, but you get what I mean. Because we boink things for some reason.
I mean, thing is, a pot of they do that so nothing but right. But it's also that they also give shelter boost to the herd, so it's actually
Actually,
your own
this
risk.
my food dropped really low. It's down to like 120. This ain't gonna last long once we fatten ourselves up.
okay, you guys can eat. I'm good.
Come on, yeah, you eat. I'm up a bit.
All of you are like bluish, and here I am, kind of brown.
Are you all fed?
Hold on. Let me differentiate myself.
Oh,
Complete.
good there.
Now I look like one eye. Wait, what's really? Yes, I am fed. I am also red
Why you're red?
because I wanted to look different.
Oh, I
Oh,
thought
this
you
is a
meant
lovely family
the
though,
nose.
isn't it? A lovely little family.
Nom, 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 nom.
No, there's this shit against baby para.
That bird's following you guys, by the way. Speedle.
Yeah. It's over us right now.
Oh, where? Can't see it.
It's gone now.
Oh, it's still up there. God, the rate at which Pata loses food is really lame.
It's alright, isn't it, will ya? You're only flying over, watching. I see him.
God damn it.
Hey, wind's picking up. So when did you get so big? All of a sudden, look like my son.
Alright.
On a boopy pair. Boop, 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 boop,
Big.
Were you in that cave for that long?
boop, 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 boop. Boing.
I think we should move this way.
Hey, food.
Oh crap, that wind's really loud.
Yeah, this is why I think we should move.
We should go to a
immediate-
cave.
Yeah.
Boing.
What do you know there, Jin? It looks like you're making a load of steaks. You warding off vampires?
I mean, yeah. Oh, there's an Acro around.
Why is Beetlebell keep giving out locations and warning everyone where the hell we're going?
Trying to be a friendly Tyrannosaurus.
No, it's because they can't
Oh, look at
target
that.
you guys anymore because like there's a moderator on, so they're like, nah, I'm just gonna give the locations out instead.
Oof. It's your fence, Jen.
Can't
We
hear
got
the
two
wind.
great parents, it's okay.
Jesus! Oh, the trees! Oh, we're being treed!
Now the way down. Hey.
We're so lucky that trees don't do damage. Oh, is that would suck? Nom, 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 nom. Bing! Oh, I missed. 'Cause,
Come on, baby.
But I'm, like, doing
Eventually,
math,
that's gonna become fatal, though, if I boing you.
doing math, and there's a lot of Tyrannosaurs.
Boing.
Okay, let me see. This one.
Yay, food longevity. Heck yeah. I like
Wait on sharp teeth. One more point and I can put 2 into that because I've got a plus in 1. So that's good.
It's great that the freaking teenager Rex leads the entire.
The animation of the Rex left foot just fucking breaks.
Oh really? How's, oh yeah, when it like wobbles a
When
bit,
it
is it?
steps, it like
Yeah.
fucking bends outwards.
Yeah.
I
like
called
it's
it
breaking.
so hard.
Oh, thank God we're inside.
Yeah, I called that so hard.
in
were-
your diapada.
If we didn't say that, oh my.
Kit? Who the heck is Kit? I'm not a Kit. I'm 0.5.
Blam.
Huh. I mean, there's... I can't fit in a cave, though.
Yeah, you can.
I'm small.
Yeah, if you come to the top of the cave we're
As
in.
baby Apado, you can, but once you're too big, you're not big enough to withstand tornado. You can,
Yeah, but
in
I'll
fact,
likely-
hide under your.
No.
You hide under your parent prevents shelf. Plus the cliff. Holy background noise. Sorry.
Yeah, Paragon. I don't know. I'm just gonna. Dum 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 dum.
Yeah,
The
watch
hell
that
did we
box.
just go over?
Yeah, there's a collision box there.
Blam.
Once I come down here, I'm going to do some pruning.
Some pruning.
Yeah, I've been pruning the trees out the way of my eyesight, so nothing can creep in. So like here, I've been, yeah, just dropping the trees down. So they drop down.
It'd probably be easier if you just heard the footsteps.
Yeah, but some people can put talents into their footsteps, which means they don't make a sound.
Is there anyone you know that's a Rex would actually do that, right?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, there's especially for acro or mega, that's really good and stuff to put in.
There we go. It just allows you to see what's coming in. Oh, the water
Hopefully
filled up a
with
little bit.
food longevity 1, I'll stop dropping like a rock because this is really dingusy dumb. Come on. So this is why I want to go survival paddock. It's just not one moving paddock.
This is our new lair. Yeah.
For a moment.
This is our permanent lair.
Yeah, that's. I think that's coming towards us. So into the cave. Right there, actually. Yeah, I'm trying to go as fast as I can. You go in me, so I'll try and just.
I like how the other
Are you
one
trying to push me,
watching,
Misa?
Alpha.
What?
I said I like how you're the only one watching.
Hey, I don't know what to tell you. You're one of the better stream.
Can't eat that. Okay.
The other ones kept dying by you.
I mean, they're not. That's not wrong.
Oof. How many troopers have I killed?
All right,
he
so I got
shot one guy,
100%. No.
And then I swear to God, he wanted to revenge kill you last night. And then I think he died. Yeah, he died to idle. So that was good.
How deep do I need to go in for 100?
You killed this other one. I think he was
Boink.
like a Spanish speaker.
Boink.
He was speaking a different language.
Oh, you mean
So I was like, oh, she killed another one.
I'm all the way in the cave, and yeah, I'm not getting 100. Okay, just make
Wait a
sure.
sec. Alpha, I know you from somewhere. I don't
You
know
probably
where, but I
Yes.
do know.
You know him from Rift and Rogue, likely.
No, not there. I.
Okay, there we go. Now I'm at 100.
Probably know from Nublar.
Alright, I'm gonna turn, so if anything does decide to come up that tunnel, it's gonna get its butt smoked.
There's the mob group, Knighton.
Okay.
The mob group.
Maybe actually. I don't know. I don't really know about the.
I'm gonna see this thing hanging out near the entrance.
I could eat.
Wrap
again.
around you.
Speaking of mob groups, I'm surprised Necker and Grand doesn't play this game.
Oh, they want
Want to, but don't have keys.
Oh, okay.
I got more of the herbivores to come. Like, we're gonna all go
I
paddle.
got tasty acros.
Seeing a good parapet would be like a.
Oh yeah, I talked to Doc and Elephant, and they're like, Elephant really wants to go a paddo. And I was like,
Did you notice something?
An acro.
with all the rest
I was
of
like,
these things,
I heard
Awesome.
an acro cry, and then I just like heard crunch.
I think it got broken.
Where's everyone going?
Tornado's coming over. So
Where are you, Twit? Why were
Come
you
back.
just murdered him.
Oh. You got him murdered in
There we
Acro?
go, that's better.
Yep, I bit it 3
Like that.
times and died.
Where was it?
At the entrance. Towards the entrance, anyway.
Oh, fair enough. That's so funny.
I missed it.
Where did you put your... I want to put you... Is it in...
No, they deleted it because they didn't post it in the fucking YouTube channel.
But you haven't got access to it, have you?
So what you
No, I
have
don't
to
have the
do,
tag.
you have to go to Twitch and then just search Beast of Her. Should be in there.
I was trying to search for a world's thing.
You can't eat that. I'm getting really low in food, by the way.
Oh, there we go. Okay,
I'll show you.
oh, she could have that.
Did I eat all the food?
Yeah.
Seems to.
Oops.
I don't know but I smell it. It's just.
So what is up with that mob group? Have you got like a hit list?
Nope.
Have you
We're
not?
good. We're good people. Smiles.
There you go.
Ha ha.
You should eat it now.
Alright, thanks.
We're kind of just waiting on Bob, really. And I'm more retired, more than anything, I guess. 'Cause,
We're an allergy just a group that plays together.
yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah, I remember seeing Mob quite a bit when I played Winter back then.
I think that's when they were just forming. I wasn't a part of it then. I joined late, and even then, I consider myself a part of it.
Even though, to be completely honest, I'm pretty sure I did join somewhere. I just don't know. Got kicked out of
It
it.
was Grand or Necro that built it, wasn't it?
Actually, fun story. There was a group before that called Mob, and then it was like Soretsu. It was Grand, Necro, Soretsu, some other people, and then eventually they got into a fight, and then Mob was born from that, and then the original Mob turned to AFAM, and then yeah.
Ah, no.
Every time I hear mob, I think of the dinosaur mafia. I swear.
It's basically
Well,
it's
that's what when I see it, it's like mafia. It's like the mafia. Whenever I see it, it's like, oh, okay.
I'm
It's
just
just the
gonna be
mafia, don't worry about
the
it.
godfather of Pato, dude, raising babies.
That's right. Been there, done it. When the oil first came out, I was in one called Oils. It was like a group. It was like a group that was like, oh, you have to be the clique in the group
Oh,
to
I
be
hear
a
the
member.
tornado.
And we all
Oh,
look
yeah,
out
it's
for each
right
other. Yeah.
It's
I agree
above
with
us.
that.
Hunting you.
It's quite loud.
It was like you wouldn't hunt someone if they had the crown in their name because they were part of the royals.
That's cool. I like that concept. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, but the problem is it gets to the point where everyone's got a crown in their name. You have to
Also
keep on
true.
checking. You have to keep
No,
on
they have
checking.
They have to go through a trial.
I mean, it doesn't take much to put like letters in your name.
Yeah, I found like fake mob people, so that was the thing. It was like, oh,
Yeah,
that's
that have.
people are weird.
Yeah, people are weird. Oh, is it gone now?
Oh my god, I can hear myself on your stream, Trillia.
Oh, apparently the tornado won't move.
Alright, do you guys want to kill Chemo? Because
What?
Chemo's-
Oh, she's with
Chemo-
Jin.
Yeah, I know, but she's literally the easiest target.
She's also in here.
Yeah, I know, that's why I said
Oh.
There's easier things to hunt.
since we're not going to do it.
Mhm.
And I know that for sure.
Yeah, you can do it, Smiles.
Nah, I'm good. I already got smacked by Jin enough, thank you.
Yeah, you got whaled. Half health. Scary.
I still killed the
Jin's
bear though.
True.
Terra was partly because of Jin's fault. They took like massive fall damage because
Ah.
Wasn't Jin's fault.
Yeah, Jin kind of booped him. They got booped. Much booping.
I'm going outside the bottom.
Yeah, I'm coming out.
you know what I just realized?
I've just realised these trees are popping back up even though they're lying on the flat floor.
To be honest, these trees are decently. I just forgot what I was about to say. Dang it. It probably wasn't important.
God damn it, Claire.
It's quite windy out here, but
Yeah,
That's
but
what I done.
No, the food.
What's the piss yellow scent?
that's an Acro.
How are you?
It's not piss yellow, it's more like a green yellow.
Yeah. One of the two.
What is your growth number?
My growth? I can't hear you, Knighton.
Fat.
You wonk wonk. Sibling I have, my god.
Oh, what's pink?
It's Hughie.
No, it's a tiny pink cloud. Not a big cloud.
Mega or XD.
Wait, wink. Wink
Hmm?
what?
Sorry, what?
What are you?
Oh, yeah, whatever it is, it's not bad.
You're cutting out a lot, Knighton, dude.
0.6.
Nice for that okay.
And sorry, the Rex's fucking noises are overbearing. Oh.
I'm cutting out 24/7 even that.
What's blue?
Getting hungry.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, I feel like we should move out of.
Oh, there's food up here.
Up where?
Where
Oh,
do you
just need a little tree.
Oh.
Oh my god, I have over 300.
Something might have died to the tornado.
Oh, it's Megalo. I just went into it. Oh!
What?
Oh,
You
it's
look
jumped in
fat.
the water. It's dived into the water.
It's gonna get
And
stuck in the river.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's going the opposite side of the lake.
Smart.
Oh yeah, we're going to the bottom of this.
No, it's going to the other side of the lake. It's running out there. Oh, it can't get up there. It
Go
must
get
sit.
it. Oh, that's a wall. There we go.
Oh, I see a
Wait.
pink apata. Apata! Should we go down there and meet him, or what?
Can you get out there? No, you can get up there.
Either our parents or something that. Oh, wind.
Yeah, he's gone up there and he's running down the other side of the cliff.
Do you think we can fit? Do you think he can fit under the bridge?
I can't get up there. Where he went.
Jen, do you think he can fit under the bridge, or no?
You'd get stuck in the river if you do that.
Yeah, I can't get up there. He did, but I can't.
You can cross a river and follow it down. What? What's Yuki saying?
It crossed that river and
Yeah.
then went up that hill. But there was definitely a nebula down there. Quite a
Where
fair
did
sized
it
one as
go?
well. Where did it go?
I felt that.
I don't know. I followed him.
Where are you guys?
We're coming up behind you.
Okay.
Hello. I see you going to gate. You're not in the cave. You're not in the cave. We are not in the cave.
You're not in the cave?
No.
Oh, there you are. That's you.
I'm gonna boop.
I just want to find food because I don't like it when I'm the one.
I can't call or anything. Sad. I can't call. My shit's broke.
Unjam.
I've done that and it wouldn't work.
Oh, shit.
Oh nope! Back in the cave.
Cave.
Back in the cave. Back in.
What? Oh, that's not good.
It's
How big do you
Foreman.
need to be not to get picked up by a tornado?
We get picked up no matter what.
Huh?
We get picked up no matter what. By
No, I'm
Stussy,
talking about
small-
Pata.
Oh, 0.8. I see a
That's
small
dumb.
paddle up above. Lead the way, Nighton, real quick.
Alright.
Nighton, go, 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 go.
Alright, shit. We're in a cave. It's fine now.
Bridge.
Bridge.
Bridge, take us to the bridge.
To the bridge. All
Oh,
right.
next to you.
Right. Bridge is always to the left. Let's go.
Yeah, because I need food now. I'm down past water.
Let's do noises.
Why didn't you eat?
That
Because
I don't
you
think I'd make it
get
to
all
that
the
cave
food.
without buying. Plus there's Rexes in there.
No, there isn't. It's fine. Oh god,
Oh.
it's coming. Oh,
Oh, it's Suki, or Jin again. Never mind.
Oh, God.
not there though.
Well, let's
Either
go back
fight-
in.
We either get the small. Oh my god, the tornado's coming.
You see
It's
it?
on
Where?
those 4 islands over there. It's
I
beelining.
don't
It's
see it.
beelining. It's beelining.
It's where?
Yeah, we need to go in.
If you look
In.
right,
Just get in.
You know the 4 islands where the two water.
Yeah.
That.
Here, let's
Right
go. I'm gonna go through real quick. There's an archway. Maybe if I hide under the archway, it'll be fine.
It may
Not
give you
much shelter.
100%, but
Oh, I want to see if this
I'm getting
little
really
pedo
low.
gets
Sucked up.
killed.
Yeah, actually, me
Yeah.
too.
Well, even if it
Whoa.
picks me up, it's gonna have problems friendly me through terrain.
No,
so.
not you. The one at top.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright, so you want to go back to
Oh.
first?
What the hell? You can back up.
Oh, it's coming this way, so be careful.
Where you guys want to
I
go?
didn't even know you could back up as
I
a...
don't know. I think they're just waiting to see if that one
It's
gets.
a black and red?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's probably Jin.
No, it's smaller than Jin. Jin's like
Oh,
a
the black and red's me.
bluish white. When you log in next to a tornado.
Oh, they definitely walked.
Yeah, down through here, down through these trees.
Can you hear it?
Well, let's go down to the bottom, I guess. I guess you check later when it's gone, so there's Swift there. Come, small fry. Small fry.
Just numbing a
What
little
up?
bit
I'm
of food.
technical.
Oh my. Yeah, I see those trees.
That's the right. Look at that. What's that?
Oh, Misha. Please, Misha.
What are you
Crap.
doing?
Oh shit, and tornadoes there. 2 baby little powers. Run, the tornado's right there.
It's either NATO or Wreck.
Yeah.
There was 2 baby powers shouting in the entrance, and I just ran to bite them. I bit both of them because they were hidden.
Oh my god, that paddle. Where'd the paddle go? Where'd the paddle go? Oh my god.
There they are. There they are, look.
No, that paddle just flew.
Need to
Wait,
have
what?
food so
Look
bad.
at the paw. Look at the paw.
Do we end it?
Yeah.
Or-
Yeah, I need it.
Okay, you might want to go back in, like, right.
Yeah, I'm just laying down, I'll be fine.
Yes, you got the food.
Okay, this is Kel's spot right here.
Thank you.
They were stuck in a hard in a rock place there because they were like, oh Misha,
Aw.
was that you?
Just eat it.
Oh,
Oh Misha.
I was so low on food.
Was that you, the little parrot at the entrance?
Oh, it's all gone. Goodbye.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that what the fuck tree?
Yeah,
Oh,
I said that. You're like stuck behind a rock in a hard place.
There's another pair.
I
And
bit
a
one,
paddle?
and then the other one got away, so I bit the other one that was standing there.
Okay, do we kill the other paras real quick? Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Oh, ow,
Oh.
why- ow, ow.
What's
I
that?
misclicked. I miss.
Ow!
Why did you all start biting?
Because you bit.
I said
Yeah,
I
you got me,
misclicked.
yeah.
How am I alive?
I don't know, but I need to rest that off now.
I took 80 injury and 750 damage. Whole
Luckily, my health only went down a quarter.
mine went down to below a quarter. What are you talking about?
Well, I've now got 2 in Chelsea.
Don't mind
be
us,
fine.
family murdering each other.
Shrug it off.
Don't mind the family killing each other. Jeez.
The daily murder.
Didn't mean to bite you, but
You bit me! You bit me, Julia!
Actually misclicked, and then Twillia nipped me, and then James nipped me. Or something like that.
What? What's
I didn't
going-
bite at all.
Then Twillia.
I thought what I thought was something invisible was biting us.
No,
I was gonna move
I
out the way.
accidentally misclicked. I said I misclicked, but someone else still bit. I was like, oh, well.
Really probably thought the same thing for a second. Like,
Yeah,
something invisible
yeah, but
biting
one
us.
time I would have got. You know, I hit 0.7, and I still haven't inherited anything. So, I don't know if I should be scared or grateful that I haven't gotten it. Scared.
I'll be right back. While you heal up.
Why is everything so loud? I hate it.
So you want to kill the other para, or because there's still a tiny para there.
I need water.
Oh, I come back.
That's good.
Thank you. Oh, my health's finally back to normal.
I still have like 10 injury.
Yeah. I have 0.4 injury. Is the tornado gone?
I need water.
Oh. It's not up there, is it? Oh, it is gone. Yep, it's gone. Who left?
Me, I can't hear a certain person for some reason.
Echo.
There's a certain person.
I don't know. Someone
Wait.
with their blip is
Oh, if it's mine, it's because my mic is super sensitive, but it doesn't like
okay.
actually
'Cause
play the noise.
It seemed like you were talking, and I was like, I don't know what
No.
you're saying.
Hey,
No,
time
I just don't have push to talk and active because it's such a pain for me.
tornado.
It's gone apparently.
There was a small para here. I don't know where it went. Oh, there
It's
it is.
hiding behind the Abato.
That's the only reason it's still alive.
It must
Why?
be. What happened to that long neck though? They must have left a big corpse that got sucked up.
It's not a bunch of yellow.
I'll tell them
Oh,
that.
it died? Well, there must be a big corpse in somewhere. Oh, what's that
Sucked
yellow
up
thing down
by
there? Oh! Oh, hello.
The low tide para.
Trillia. There's
Let me check.
an Apato down here.
It's a pretty big apato. Oh, it's Spirit Angel.
Oh, it's Kimo. That's Kimo.
No,
isn't it?
Spirit Angel.
No, I'm a red
Teamwork.
one. I'm a candy cane.
Spirit Angel.
This one's
It
cyan.
is full battle. It is straight up full battle. I would not mess with it.
Oh, it's probably Hookie then.
Spirit Angel.
No.
Cute.
No. Dookie's pink. This one's black, silver, and cyan.
Alright, is the tornado
Oh,
gone?
so, yeah.
'Cause there, I see it's just whether we should move or not.
Oh, that power's behind us. Who's that power? Anyone in VC? No?
Also muted.
You think it's still safe? Okay, then.
Yay!
I see food.
My fucking calls
Sorry,
are
I missed
working.
Yeah, I told you. That archway was my
Yeah,
saving
there's
I
grace.
got a nasty bite on that para.
Wait, what?
I got a
Murdering
nasty
the
bite on
para.
that para.
Hold on,
But
we
it
were
ran-
leaving.
Oh,
Is
yeah,
that
well,
another one?
it ran behind the
I see that, right?
Another NATO?
Kinda. For fudge shake.
There's
There's
actually
another
another
one.
tornado.
Yes.
There's another
Everyone.
tornado.
It's like Tornado City right now.
It's okay. It's on the other island. So, can we like really quickly kill the para and then no?
Well, you guess
Oh,
they don't catch it. You're
yeah,
faster
I see.
than us.
I'm
No,
in
but
the
like
cave.
the
trees.
next Wait, how is that para alive on village?
Oh, it was loop change. That's
I'm being cock blocked by trees. Drives me nuts.
That's another native.
There's another tornado. They're just spawned.
Yeah.
Is that
They're on the other
That's
island.
3 so far.
That's they don't usually spawn like that, surely.
I mean the winds. The thing is, if the wind died down, they wouldn't. But since the wind's still going, they keep.
Yeah.
But I think 3 at once isn't that
Food
bad.
is a struggle for us.
Just
is
hide
really
under it. Fine. If it's like a long period of time, something will.
Well, I'm gonna wait here.
You don't want to go down
Got
there.
it.
No.
I can eat small trees.
Where's
I've
James?
just been snapping on.
An entrance, I think.
James, what the heck are you doing?
Yeah, it's terrorizing the island over there.
Now you need to stop biting.
I keep misclicking.
Oh, God.
You bite again.
Yeah, he did.
No, I didn't. Not this during this time.
You bit at the wall.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I heard it.
My ability power did not go to. Thus, no biting.
Alright, well, I've got some in survival, so I'll be fine. I'll just go back to battle. There's another Apata? Is there another 2 or is it just
4 or
one?
5 on.
Oh, it's just Hook.
So do
That's
the,
true.
do the Apatas then give the Paras comfort?
Yeah,
Yes.
we give them comfort.
Hovers
Dogs.
give each of the
And
shelter.
shelter.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
so they just hide underneath you.
Yeah.
Okay. Fair enough.
So that means that para that you guys ate that was outside the cave could have lived.
Rip.
What? No, I'm still like hungry as shit
Yeah, I'm really hungry.
Alright.
I'm
because
getting to the
every
point
time we
of
get
half
food,
now.
every time we get food, I only get a couple bites
Oh,
in, and then
my
it's gone.
enemy status with Beetlebell has reached X grade. Aha! They must be above us.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, poor Beetlebell. You're gonna get increased stress now. Shame.
I've
Well, to
returned
be
what?
fair, well, that's what happened earlier.
One
I'm a,
happy.
I'm a flying
family.
poo, tell her. I'm a flying dinosaur turd.
So do we want to try and figure out how to get over there, or what do we want to do? I mean, more patas, better. No.
I mean, you might die.
I'm going to shoot my pooch.
Oh, Epsilon's on. The seas aren't safe then.
Well, she was wiped, remember?
Oh, yes. Oh.
What the frick? Hold up.
Is Epsilon in the voice chat?
Is that you, Knighton?
That I am
I don't
not
know if I could do it.
splash.
Are you running away from me?
Yeah, I'm running up to see the break.
I almost bit you.
Oh yeah, yeah, maybe you can.
Exact same skin color.
I
We
can't
all-
really tell, because it's fucking dark in here.
Well, you can use gamma, right?
Alright. Okay. Oh! No! Apata! No!
Apato's trying to. Apato's being swept wet.
Oh.
There you go.
What? Yeah. That's accurate. Oh, tornado. Tornado. Wait.
There's 2. No, it's coming up.
No, I'm watching. It's not close enough to be in danger since we're right here. Where is Chemo? Oh, Chemo is just doing lazy rip.
Oh, I see the tornado. This is the first time seeing one.
It's coming over. Oh yeah, Chemo, you might be screwed. Just
No,
invade.
because there's 100% shelter under this freaking thing.
Yeah, but you might still be pulled out if it's generally near. 100% only means every target. But it's not really pulled out.
Push. Yay!
You know what? This
Push to
is
safety!
Okay, Jin.
Okay.
Pushing the baby Pato to safety.
Oh my god, you're being swept away.
Never mind. It doesn't want me. What is this river? Why is it so dumb?
As you're Apados, you're not very sturdy again. Oh,
Don't move, Jin. Oh well, I'm just gonna keep getting swept because it's dumb. This is retarded. Please fix river. We are Pata. We should not be being swept by a car.
Getting weaker. Maybe heading towards. You also have the power of a king.
I keep getting stuck. What is wrong with my collision? My collision's so dumb.
Nowhere near us right now, so we're not too bad.
Yeah, we're just watching it.
Yeah.
I mean, as long as it
it's
gets
lame.
too close.
Alright, well, we could go down the river and jump
That's
down.
a bad idea. The fall damage might kill you. And
I don't want to stay here anymore. It's so boring up here.
wait, it's
Go
going
in.
away. It's going
Go
away.
I
in.
So
want to be with other Apatas.
let's just like really quickly.
Oh no.
You're about to find out what happened.
I mean, the thing is, if Shin tail webs, you also get maximum damage.
Yep.
It's
Things go. Jin as an Apato, I'm not sure.
Oh,
if you
I have like no clue.
Yeah.
Isn't that fun ending death though, Jin?
There's food down there, there's yellow.
Only one.
So pretty.
Yeah.
I see Rex over there at Oasis.
How the heck do you get off this mountain then? If
This one.
You can go all the way around,
Let's go there then.
like the way we're going right now. What? Is that Tyrannosaurs good?
Come on, babies. Keep up.
beep,
See the yellow
beep, beep. Backing up the truck.
Actually, how old? How grown are you two, Gunny?
I'm 0.7.
6'5".
Might be our you.
No, I doubt we can get over that. Like, even as an Ixie, I have issues, though.
This is
Yeah. There is a way down. There's a ramp in the back area if we really wanted to move.
Wait, that's convenient.
I just don't like
Ow.
staying in one place.
Oh.
Or
Is that you?
Fine, I'm only
like to
there.
travel and see the world and meet up with other
Yeah,
paddles.
don't run down that.
Oh gosh. Oh wait.
Heads up.
I'm gonna hitch a ride.
Even if you fall as a T-Rex, it's basically okay.
Hey, fun time.
Oh, there's food over there.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we're just a little too slow.
This was a Tyrannosaurus racing over.
The heck?
You go zigzag. That's what you.
Oh, I just inherited +1 to clouding.
Hannibal. Crouching Apado. Scoot.
Oh gosh.
I have a talent point, but I don't know what to put it in. Should I keep going comfort or should I go battle?
If we want to start going down so we can meet up with other Apados, that's up to you, Jen. I mean, again, I'll probably just keep the.
This one isn't very big.
Is it very big or
How's
not?
your feet?
No.
Well, yeah.